Hi there! Today we have the AirPods Pro. Oops, these are the Noise Airbuds Plus. It looks so similar that anyone would think it's an AirPods Pro. And the best part is it's priced at just $1,999. That's amazing. I'll take you through the unboxing experience. I'll tell you all about it so you can decide if you should buy this or not. So let's start with the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the Noise Airbuds Plus. You can see the image of the earbuds right here. Towards the back, you can see some list of its features. Full touch control, 20-hour playtime, Instacharge, USB-C charging, some manufacturing details, and the MRP, which is $5,999. Alright, let's unbox this. And there you go. There's the case, there are the earbuds. Then we have two pairs of extra ear tips of different sizes, a USB-C to USB charging cable. So we have a user manual. We have some stickers this time, the Noise logo, Noise, Suno Dil Ka Shor, Noise Maker, some quick start guide, and of course the warranty card that you need to register for. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. So very familiar design, reminds me first of the AirPods Pro. Same white color, same design. Towards the back you see a button here, which is probably for resetting it or to pair it. At the bottom here is the USB-C port to charge, and this is where the earbuds will go in. Let's put them in. And there you go. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Nice clicky sound. Let's have a look at the buds. Okay, so first thing you can see is that they have a light here at the back. Noise logo, really small stem. They've got the buds design. They look really nice and they're really small. Very, very tiny. Alright, so let's talk about the fit. Well, they snug in really well, and thanks to that bud design, it seals most of the ambient sound. They also provide a very good grip and they aren't going to fall off easily, which is why you can wear them for a run or even to the gym. Yes, it also comes with IPX5 water resistant rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. The buds are quite compact and really light, making them comfortable to wear even for long hours. Then they also come with touch gestures, and the best thing is you can control almost everything. Volume up and down, you can change tracks, previous track, next track, pause and play, and even trigger voice assistant. Siri for iPhone and Google Assistant if you're using it with an Android phone. Completely sorted. Then the batteries on these will last for about 4 hours on a single charge, and along with the case it will provide a total of 20 hours of music playback. That's pretty good. We also get instant charge feature, which is when you charge them for 8 minutes in the case, it will provide 1 hour 20 minutes of playback. That's fabulous. Okay, coming to the sound quality. So I initially thought that the bass was just decent, but then I replaced the ear tips with the other ones that are provided in the box that provided a tighter seal. There was a stark improvement in sound quality. The bass was really good, thumpy, and overall sharp, clear mids and highs. The sound quality is really good for a TWS earphones at this price point. A huge thumbs up. I also used it for phone calls, and to simply put it, it's excellent. I'm surprised how even budget TWS earphones have got so good at phone call quality. And for those who are confused, yes, you can connect these to your laptop and keep switching between the two. It's amazing. Alright guys, this was it. $1,999 for the Noise Airbuds Plus. Now this is just an introductory price. Expect it to go up after the Prime Day sale, so grab one ASAP on Amazon.in. I'll share the links below in the description. You should definitely check it out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.
Audio Jungle.